Sawadee. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own mask at home. Now the coronavirus period, very difficult to get the good quality mask. So we can make it at home. All you need is you can buy from the 7-Eleven shop the wet tissue. You need a cup of plain water, a plastic spoon, a pot of plain water, and of course the Big B from propolis liquid. First, drop 3 tubes of propolis inside the plain water. 1, 2, 3. You can see it become a milky solution. Tear off the plastic of the tissue. Wash inside the plain water to remove the odor and fragrance. Dry it thoroughly and then soak inside the propolis solution. You can do as many pieces as you like at the same time. Then dry it and then hang outside to dry it up. This one I already pre-do many pieces. This one already dry. You can put on your mask. Now your mask is ready. This one is antivirus and antibacterial. Now try it at home.